Hello and welcome everybody. Today I am going to show you how to track your Clickbank sales. So first of all, in order to track your Clickbank sales, you are going to need a tracking ID link. In order to create the tracking link, you are going to go to the affiliate marketplace, and here you are going to look for the offer that you want to promote. Let's say that I want to promote this one. You're going to press on promote, select your affiliate nickname. Now you're going to have to write something here. Here you're going to write in which source you want to promote this product. For example, let's say that you want to promote this product in YouTube and in a Facebook group, for example. So here, if for example you're gonna do it through YouTube, you're gonna write YouTube, okay? Then the hop link, and then create a hop link. Now you will have this encrypted hop link that you can use for tracking your sales. In order to verify that this hop link is valid, you can just copy, open in a new tab, and now go to the product, click on Add to Cart, and now scroll down until you see this. And now you're going to be able to track the sales that the customers do through this link. If, for example, you want to do it through a Facebook group, you can write, for example, Facebook here or Facebook groups, and then create the hub link, and you will have it. So in order to use these tracking IDs, we are going to use other software that is directly linked to Clickbank. This software is called ClickMagic. Here, you're going to be able to create your project where you are going to be able to add this tracking link. Adding these tracking links will help you to know from which source do the purchase come from. You can also see your sales in your Clickbank account. You're going to click on reporting, and here you are going to be able to see your sales. I hope you find this information helpful, and thank you very much for watching.